Here is my recap of today's price action. So coming into the day, we can see we already have a SMT on the daily fair value gap, and coupled with that, we already inversed the 1 hour fair value gap on the left side and leaving a 4-hour bullish fair value gap and the intermediate low that's also London low below. So right at market open, we leave a 15-minute unmitigated fair value gap behind and the 4-hour fair value gap as well. So what I was looking for is a run lower into the 15-minute or a run into the 15-minute and then lower into our intermediate low coupled with the 4-hour fair value gap. Right at market open, we ran immediately lower into the 4-hour, but leaving no clean inverse to the upside targeting the unfilled 15-minute. So I sit on my hands and waited for price to get us into the 50-minute fair value gap. From here, I looked for a inversion into the stacked lows right here we just created right at market open, because for me it was not a healthy reversal. We had a 30-second inversion fair value gap to the downside, but the reason why I faded this was because ES already inversed the 15-minute NQ delivered us from. We retraced a bit lower. We can see we had a beautiful inversion setup right here. The reason why I faded it though was we do not have a clean sell, stop, run or a 5-minute, 50-minute fair value gap that supports this swing low right here. We can see it beautiful works, but for me it's not a setup because we could easily run these low resistance lows right here. So from here I looked for longs as I saw that NQ disrespects the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, and I saw a new 5-minute fair value gap opening up where I wanted to see a retracement back into to then drive us higher into our draw, which was the daily fair value gap. So we did not do that. We went immediately into our draw and then started consolidating for the rest of the session. So today we had no opportunity to get in alignment with the market, and let me know how your trading day was.